A Maharashtrian wedding meal is incomplete without a masale bhat. So, when I got married to a Maharashtrian family, you're all aware I'm married to a Maharashtrian family. That's the first time when I was introduced to the masale bhat, and I was pleasantly surprised with the taste when I compared it with the bisi bele huli anna or the chitranna or the curd rice or the different kind of rices or the lemon rice that we have in our South Indian weddings. But so ever since then, I'm hooked on to having masale bhat, and I look forward to going for Maharashtrian weddings just to have batatachi bhaji, puri, shrikhand and masale bhat. So today, let's make a masale bhat. So for the masale bhat, I'm going to heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. आता masale bhat म्हटल्यावर garam masale तर येणारच त्याच्यात. So first, let's add some whole spices. I'm going to add half an inch of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, 2 bay leaves, 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, add 3 to 4 slit green chilies, a sprig of curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, and now I'm going to add vegetables. So I have taken 1 cup of ivy gourd, that is tindley, a cup of carrots, chopped carrots, a cup of green peas, a cup of cauliflower. I'll add a cup of aubergine as well. Now we'll saute the vegetables for a minute or two. So now we'll add 2 cups of soaked rice. I'd soak the rice for about half an hour to an hour. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of goda masala. Now goda masala is available online. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. Saute this well. After sauteing the rice and the vegetables for a minute, we're going to add 4 cups of water to this. We'll add some salt to taste. Now give it a final stir, cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame for about 15 minutes, not more, because we have to add a few other ingredients as well. So basically I want the vegetables and the rice to be 80 to 90% done. So now let's cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame. So now after 15 minutes, we're going to add a few more ingredients. First, we need to add another cup of water to this. Okay. Then we'll add a teaspoon of jaggery to this. Just a teaspoon. And here I have some kokum. So I'm going to add 5 to 6 petals of kokum. And since I wanted to mix this, I didn't want the rice to be completely cooked, but 80 to 90% cooked. And now we need to cover this and cook till the rice is done and the vegetables are done as well, which should take about another 5 to 6 minutes. The masale bhat is ready. It shouldn't be too moist and gooey, okay? It should be nice and khila. So we'll remove this in a serving bowl. Normally, masale bhat ke saath you normally have a tomato saar, but today I'm going to serve this with a koshimbir. Nice dayatli koshimbir. Just garnish it with a little bit of freshly grated coconut, some coriander, and our masale bhat is ready. So do like this recipe, do try this recipe and keep watching Smita Deo.